Hey guys, what's up? Stacey Elliott here again from Fit with Fat. And I'm actually in my kitchen today and I'm going to be walking you guys through one of our very favorite meals that we make here in our house. It is done in the Instapot and we are gonna show you how you can pre-mix all of your main ingredients ahead of time. So you could pre-mix this and then when you come home from work, you can then cook the ingredients together to finish up the meal. So that's really gonna be helpful to those of you who are really busy or have jobs or have to squeeze this in before you, get your kids, pick up your kids from horseback riding, which I have to do here in a little while. So stay tuned with us. The meal, once you've prepped it and you get home, it's only about 10 minutes to cook. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. All right, guys, so we're gonna talk about our ingredients and what is going in this dish tonight. So in this bowl, which I'll mix it all together in here, you've got a cup of mayonnaise. You wanna make sure that with your half a cup of melted butter that you let it sit out and soften for a little while so that then you can add your butter into your mayonnaise to mix that up really nicely, make it very creamy. You're gonna add, it's about roughly 7 cloves of garlic or about 2 tablespoons of garlic. Chopped. And you're gonna add a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. And then half a teaspoon is gonna go for your oregano and for your basil. So you're gonna put all of this into the container, you're gonna mix this all together, and this is gonna be the base for your chicken that's gonna go in your Instapot later. Okay guys, so I've mixed up everything into this bowl. Now remember that you can do this the night before, right? So that you can stick it in the fridge and when you get home from work, you have it pre-made all ready for you. Or you could do it in the morning and stick it in the fridge. So this is a very easy way to pre-prep this dish so that this is gonna be very easy, very simple to do when you get home. Okay, so now just for the cooking, you are gonna dice up your chicken. It's already pre-diced. It's in my Instapot, ready to go, which again, you could do the night before if you chose to. And this is 3 pounds. So I like to make a lot of this because this dish is so good. So we use it over cauliflower rice, we use it over zoodles, we use it on salads. We also love to get the almond flour crackers and we use it as a dip on our crackers. Tonight, we are actually gonna open up avocados and we're gonna stuff the avocados with this dish. So there are so many different ways you can utilize this and you are going to love it. So you wanna make sure that you make enough to have for leftovers for the week. Okay, so you got your chicken in here. All you're gonna do when you're ready to cook is cook your chicken the way that your Instapot tells you to do it. Once the chicken is done, it will turn itself already to the low position. So you will take the chicken out, you will drain the chicken, and then you won't actually touch the temperature. You will just add your mixture into the Instapot, and all you're letting it do is heat up and melt and become this really creamy, yummy sauce. All right, guys, so my chicken is cooked. It has been drained. Now we have our mixture. We're gonna put it in our Instapot. I'm gonna stir it up just a little bit. Again, this is only gonna take about 2 minutes. And so all you're really wanting to do is just melt it. It's gonna be delicious. All right, got it kind of mixed up in there. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and so now we are just gonna let it cook for, again, remember, just the 2 minutes. You don't wanna cook it too long because it will stick, because these Instant Pots get really, really hot. So another minute and I will show you what it looks like. We put our creamy Parmesan chicken right into our halved avocado. We enjoyed ours with a nice side salad, and dinner was delicious.